Today we're doing something simple. Simple and easy. Beef and barley soup. Ingredients: salt, beef, barley, garlic, onions, carrots, celery. You can add a little bit of tomatoes if you want. That's about it. Potatoes if you want to get crazy with starch. But this is a very simple, delicious meal that my wife and we kill these things. We love it. Have everything chopped up and ready to build some jars. I used about maybe a little bit over 4 pounds of beef, and each clump is just a little bit more than a fistful. All right, let's build some jars. First, we'll do the meat. Some onions, carrots, celery, 1 garlic clove. I think I'm going to use a 1/4 pint of barley. Maybe a little less. We'll go 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, we'll fill these up with water and see where we are. Right, I think these look pretty good. I tend to overdo barley and beans when I do canning. This time I'm going to do it a little on the lighter side, and I'm going to fill the rest of the jars up and we'll get them going. These are ready for some lids. I'm going to do a quick wipe down first, and yep, I reuse my lids, and if they don't seal, I use them right away. All right, let's get these guys into the canner. All right, let's lock them in there. Move to a new elevation. It's like 13 and change, so I'm gonna have to pressure can at 11 psi. These are supposed to be 10, 5, 10, 15, I think, but seven. 0.9 and 1.1. I think I probably can get something to work for 11 psi. If not, I'll use the old school. This has been pretty good. Let's pop this thing on and see how we do with psi. Looks like I got 12 psi here, and let's see how that goes. We'll see you in 90. Alright, looks like the 90 is up. I'm going to do a long, slow cool down, and we'll check it out in a little bit. Alright, let's see how these things look. Okay, we had 1 jar that didn't seal, so I'm going to check some of it out right now. Not bad.